Hi, today we are in Audi A3 8V and I'm going to show you how to reboot the navigation system in this car. So you have your controller over here, this is how it looks, and what we are going to do is press at the same time three buttons: the menu button, the center knob and the upper right software key. So as soon as we press it, we will see that the LCD screen will go off, and after a few more seconds the system will start to reboot and will start up again. So let's do it right now. I will shortly press three buttons and the screen is off. Now we have to wait for the system to start up again, and as we are waiting, maybe you can press the thumbs up if this video helped you. And this procedure is
Jakie państwo budujemy?
we have the default volume level after reboot, and this procedure is helpful if you have a navigation system that freezes up, you have lots of point of interest on the screen and it's laggy and you want to just freshly start the system, or you made some changes with the diagnostic interface enabling some new features. Those features, those coding changes usually require your system to reboot for those changes to take place in your car. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and check my other tutorials about Audi and other brands. See you soon.